Hey traders, Mike Katz with 7 Points Capital. I just came into the conference room to the studio to record this video, and I see that ATOS dropped. I was going to talk about this one and how it's behaving. So let me just focus here for a second. It looks like it dropped. Some of my orders got hit, and I just reshorted a little bit at 5. But I've been looking at some of these names and the way they're acting, and obviously there's a lot of control. Specifically, I'm referring to a symbol like AKTX and the way it's been behaving the last couple of days. Lots of control, lots of volume, and algos are just doing their thing. And I think it's good. It's good to get action. It's good to have a lot of these stocks moving. Just have to be careful. I think this algo that takes control of some of these stocks, we talk about it a lot on the desk here. And what we're seeing is that it's the type of algo that most of the time you don't want to be selling weakness, like selling weakness, buying strength, getting stopped out at highs, and then trying to hit back in when it looks like it's going to break down again. That doesn't work. So if you look here at my ATOS trades, I was in that mode early on, just being really careful and looking to spot backside. But again, this reminded me of yesterday's action in AKTX. That if you sold weakness, you got stopped out, and they would just bring it right back up. So I changed gears right away. I went to shorting pops, covering weakness, shorting pops, covering weakness, doing that with a piece of my position, and then trying to keep some so that if it does go down, I do have some. And the downside of that is that if you do get a move, you're not going to make as much. But shorting weakness and buying strength, it could be difficult. Like if we could look at yesterday's action in AKTX, we'll see that most of the day this was just I want to say mind F, but you guys get it. It was tough. It was just, even if you waited and were really patient, it was just really tough afterward as well. So I would think that anytime it feels like a stock is not giving it up early on, is not fading in the first half hour or an hour, chances are there's some games being played, and then I would just be really careful and avoid shorting weakness. I'd start to play the range a little bit more. But it looks like ATOS, let's look here. As I was walking in here, some of these covers got filled. Then I had one down here around a little above 450. And then put it back out on a pop near $5, $4.98, I think. And that looks good. What else? I had a UXIN today. Where is that? UXIN is down here. I had one trade in this weak stock, missed this whole move. This would have been really nice, but I missed it. Then starts to flag, get really tight, wedge, and then $4 here just held. The offer held pretty well, so I got short around there. 398, 399, risking off of 411, but I would have probably taken some off at 401 if it took out the $4 offer. So I had decent size on, and then I just started staircasing lower. I added some more, and then it ended up making lower low, lower high. And at this point, I ended up just watching the tape really closely, watching the offer, and then just got out at what ended up being a nice little exit. So these are the two main watches for me today. I haven't traded a whole lot. My goal for today coming in was I just want to size down, do less, just avoid these algos and not get too trapped with them if they are around. And there's money to be made. Just got to be able to adjust to what's going on. And that was my goal. Just do less, be small. And I think I met those goals today. And I'm really happy with today's performance. Probably would have made a whole lot more if I was bigger, but hey, that's life. And right now I think it's some good actions going on, some good volatility. Small caps are alive. It's just got to adjust. And I don't think it's as easy as just waiting for weakness and then waiting for backside. I think there's a lot of trapping going on, and it's okay. It's just a matter of adjusting. So hopefully everybody's doing well, staying safe, and that's all I got. Mike Katz with 7 Points Capital. Thanks.